Hi, I'm Joe Henry with ACT Auto, Truck, Tire, and Collision Staffing with another recruiting tip of the month. And today we're going to talk about it's coming to a holiday and what you should do to help your crew stay intact. And by that meaning this, when I was a service manager and director, whenever a 3-day holiday came up, I knew that my technicians and my collision techs we're all going to be out there having a great time with picnics and family and so on, which I certainly was glad to hear that. However, before the Friday before the long weekend, I would always go out and say, folks, please remember that if you have a little bit too much to drink or something happens and you get a DUI, there's nothing I can do. I can't cover you anymore. So please keep that in mind. And that was always a good reminder to my crew because they just have a tendency to think that on that 3-day weekend, it's nothing but fun, which it is and it should be, but they also have to keep their mind on what happens if they lose a driver's license through DUI or any of those. I'm Joe Henry. Thanks for tuning in, and that's our ACT Auto, Truck, Tire, and Collision Staffing tip. Have a great business.